Tele, as the outgoing president of our club, the Rotary Club of Lagro Ascension, I do hereby turn over this gable to you as a symbol of authority. Please wield it unflinchingly but righteously, with courage but with humility, with determination but with compassion and understanding. As you accept this gable and authority that goes with it, may God bless and help you in all your undertakings. Congratulations, MP Agnes.
ACP, I do hereby accept this gable as the symbol of my authority for Rotary year 2024 to 2025 with the theme of Magical Precedence, with the Rotary ideals of service expressing the object of Rotary and four-way test as my guide, and with the blessings of the Almighty, it is my covenant to wield this gable unflinchingly but righteously, with the courage but with humility. Thank you.